Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on all things tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of retro charm with the LEOTEC AM FM Radio. Now, if you're a fan of classic aesthetics combined with modern functionality, you're in for a treat. Let's unpack what makes this radio stand out. First off, versatility is key with this radio. It offers AM/FM reception, a large tuning knob for easy station selection, and even Bluetooth connectivity. So whether you're in the mood for your favorite radio station or your personalized playlist, this radio has you covered. And speaking of coverage, let's talk about reception. The LEOTEC radio delivers stable reception and impressive sound quality, making it perfect for any environment, whether you're working, cooking, or just chilling out. Ease of use is another highlight. With its user-friendly design featuring a large tuning knob and straightforward controls, operating this radio is a breeze. Plus, its classic design adds a touch of elegance to any space. Now, let's talk specs. Measuring at 8.26 inches in length, 3.74 inches in width, and 4.6 inches in height, this radio is compact enough to fit on any table or shelf. Powered by corded electricity, you can enjoy uninterrupted listening without worrying about battery life. And let's not forget about its packaging. The LEOTEC radio arrives securely packaged, ensuring it reaches you in pristine condition. So, whether you're a music lover, a radio enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates timeless design, the LEOTEC AM FM radio is a fantastic choice. With its blend of retro charm and modern features, it's sure to become a beloved addition to your home or office. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy listening.